If you prefer juice made at home instead of the stuff out of the cartons from the grocery store, then this video is for you. This is the Fretta juicer, and the most difficult decision I had was choosing between purple and the silver. I went with the silver because it matches my kitchen. Outside of that, this thing is fantastic. I already did a couple of oranges and they were quartered, but this is the base. And this part right here, this whole unit just pops on and locks into place. It comes with these two cups. This one is to catch the pulp and this is to catch the juice. It also comes with this brush for cleaning and also this pusher for helping you move things along through it. Now it has a few settings. Of course, now it's off. It has a soft mode and it has what's called a hard mode. So soft is for things like oranges, watermelons, strawberries, pretty much anything that you could just squeeze in your hand, if you can imagine that. And then the hard is for things like celery, carrots, apples, things of that nature. Now it also has a reverse button, REV, right here at the top, so that if things get bound up in there, you can hit the rev button and it'll just pull things back a little bit, and then you can turn it back onto your other mode and it'll continue through. And then of course you have this pusher to help you through. Now when it comes to cleaning this machine, it's really very, very simple because none of this right here gets cleaned except for maybe wiping off the surface. It's just this unit, and that part comes apart. So what I do is I just put some warm soapy water in the sink and I let everything sit for a little while, come back in a few minutes, and I mean, it practically is clean by then, but I'll take the brush and just get off any residual that there is. But if you're even considering this product, I highly recommend it. I love it. And it's one of my favorite kitchen appliances. We had a brunch with family, and it just was kind of the center of attention for a while because everybody wanted to make their own orange juice. But it's a great product. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.